Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig review is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. So this is the box and all the stuff that came in the box. And then for the wig, they sent me over a 13x4 HD lace frontal body wave unit. It's pre-curled, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything. So this is a beginner friendly wig. The hairline is 10 out of 10. Look at that. You don't have to do anything. It's already parted for you. It's already curled for you. So this is going to be a real quick, simple, easy install, and I'm going to show it to you guys in real time. So we're just going to put the wig on, and then we're going to take our Ebin lace spray and we're going to spray our hairline and blow dry it on cool. You have to blow dry it on cool so it can get tacky. This is how the wig fits on me. It's a large cap because I got a big head. So yeah, the hairline is really cute, as you can see. So going back to that, we're gonna start with the melting process. Real simple, just spray and then use your finger or something to like spread it out so it doesn't drop down on your forehead or to your eyebrows. And then again, we're gonna blow dry it on cool. So after it's tacky, you're gonna just put the lace over it, and then I'm going to take my band and put it on and then just rake the curls out with my fingers. So we can already see this wig coming together beautifully. I love that it's pre-curled because sometimes it's hard for people to curl their own hair. I understand it. So this is perfect if you're a beginner. The curls are gorgeous. They stay, obviously, because I'm brushing through it with a brush, so the hair can hold a curl for sure. And yeah, so after that, I'm gonna style it with cutting a few slight layers. Nothing too crazy, but this type of hair, body wave hair, you kind of do need to cut a little layers. Just cut in a diagonal motion with the front to kind of frame your face so you can get that voluminous look that you saw in the intro. So now when it's all styled, we're gonna take the band off and then take our scissors and cut in a zigzag motion. You wanna cut in a zigzag motion as best as you can. You don't wanna really cut in a straight line or you'll see the line of demarcation. I honestly could have cut it a little better in a zigzag motion, but yeah, you don't want the line to be straight or else you'll see. And then we'll take a little bit more spray and spray it on the lace and put the band back on to kind of melt the part that we cut so it can blend in better. Okay, so this is how it's looking, all melted. That hairline looks amazing. It looks natural. I really like it. And the lace is good. It melts well for sure. So yeah, that's all for this video. Very beginner friendly, very easy. You don't need to know a lot about wigs to do this yourself. As you see, I just did it just like that. So yeah, everything will be linked down below. Shout out to Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.